Today, we're at the dollar store. It can be expensive to refinish furniture, so we're going to share the money-saving items we use from the dollar store to create unique pieces that look expensive. The first thing we came across were metallic self-adhesive wall tiles. Many people use these as budget backsplashes in their kitchen, but we knew we wanted to use it on a dresser. We added the easy-to-apply peel and stick sheets to the top drawer, and boy, did it add a cool retro look to this piece. Look at this next item, jute twine. It comes in different thicknesses and lengths and is really inexpensive. We added it to the legs and handles of these nightstands by wrapping and securing it with hot glue. It provides a really earthy and rustic vibe to any project. We like the look of hand-painted floral designs on furniture, but we don't have that type of artistic talent. We found these amazing floral wall decals in different designs and colors that would give a similar effect. We strategically placed the decals along the front and sides of the cabinet and polyurethaned over them to ensure the edges didn't lift. The monochrome decals matched the neutral colors of the cabinet beautifully and just completely elevated this piece. These little wooden shapes caught our eye. There were so many options like stars, frogs, birds, but we loved the butterflies and knew they'd be perfect for a dresser in a little girl's room. We stained them to match the rest of the wood accents on the piece and positioned them as if they were flying from the front to the sides. We used cement glue, also from the dollar store, to secure them. Such a cute little touch.
Hey look, drawer liners. Can you guess what we did with these? They come in a variety of patterns and colors with 6 sheets per box. One of the drawers had a large ink stain inside, so we used the liners to cover it up. The beautiful white and green carnations were also the inspiration for the main color of this gorgeous dresser. To the crafting section! We knew exactly what we were looking for. Jumbo craft sticks. We call them popsicle sticks. We placed them in a herringbone pattern and stained them to match the rest of the wood accents on this little end table. This easy craft makes such a difference. Our final find? Rolls of burlap-like fabric. Burlap is super trendy right now and really expensive. This is a budget-friendly alternative that gives the same boho vibe. We knew the fabric would be perfect on this dresser because the drawer was framed in trim. This helped secure the burlap, but more importantly, it highlighted the beautiful leaf pattern. Flipping furniture doesn't have to be expensive.
See you next weekend!